Hi, in this lesson, we will see how to create standard shopping campaign. Before creating shopping campaign, you need to make sure that your Google Merchant Center is linked with the Google Ads account so that the products present in this Merchant Center will be reflected in the Google Ads account and you can segment accordingly. So this is the feed that we have uploaded in the previous Google Merchant Center lesson. So they are still under review. Okay. So however, we can view these products in Google Ads account. Let's see how to segment them. Okay, so in order to create it, go to create button here, new campaign, select the sales. So these are the sales only, right? Because these are the products. So select appropriate conversion action and remove the unwanted ones, remove and remove, right? So next, here you need to select the shopping campaign. You see, when you select the shopping campaign, you also need to select the Google Merchant Center. So if you have linked multiple Google Merchant Centers to this Google Ads account, then you have to select the appropriate one. So here it is saying that go to Performance Max. So if you observe, by default it is suggesting us to go or to create the shopping campaign with the help of Performance Max campaign. But we will see, okay, in the next coming lessons what is Performance Max campaign and how to create the shopping campaigns through Performance Max campaign. But here our aim is to create a shopping campaign through standard shopping campaign, right? So select the standard shopping campaign. So we first understand the basics, okay, and click on continue. Make sure that you give the proper name. So here I am giving like shopping campaign. Let's say this is standard, right? Let's give like this, DG standard shopping, standard shopping. Okay, what is the product that we wanted to target? You can obviously come here, you can name as per the strategy you are building. Okay, so here I'm leaving it as it is, right? So you click on this additional settings first. Here we have three options: inventory filter, local ads, and campaign URL options. Let's go one by one. So click on this inventory filter. Here you have two options: one is no filter and another is filter. When you select the first option, you are saying that you will be targeting all the products in the feed and you don't want to do any filters for the feed, right? And when you select the second option, so you are saying that you wanted to filter out few of the products. Okay, so here you have three options, or you have some options, right, that are present in the feed. Either you can select based on the category, based on the brand ID, item ID, condition, product type. You have these labels, custom labels, channel exclusivity. So based on the condition you wanted to filter, you can apply the filter at this campaign level only. So when you apply the filter, let's say you wanted to apply, let's say here I am selecting this condition. So here in the condition you will be having few products, right? Few options. So refurbished, used, and new. So you have three options here. Let's say you select refurbished one. In the coming next sections, you will only see products present in this refurbished. You won't see products present in other categories. Okay, if you select new here, in the coming sections you will be seeing products related to or products under new only, right? I hope you are understanding the difference. So here I am not going to select any of the filters, because even at the ad group level you can segment the products, right? So, and this is for the local products. You turn on this option if you have any physical store and the if the products are available in your physical store. So otherwise you can move forward without turning it on. Next is the campaign URL options. We have discussed that this is for tracking the click, from where the click has come from. You can place your tracking template here. So next is the bidding strategy. So in shopping campaign, we have three bidding strategies. So one is manual CPC, maximize clicks, and only TROAS. So the main difference, in the shopping, in the search campaigns, if you observe, there was maximize conversion value bidding strategy, and TROAS has acted as a limit for that bidding strategy, where maximize this target ROAS is present within the maximize conversion value bidding strategy. So but here in the shopping campaign we don't have maximize conversion value, but we have target ROAS bidding strategy separately. So don't get confused, okay? So as this is a new campaign, I am going with the manual CPC. So give the budget here. I am giving around 1000 rupees, and this is campaign priority option. So this option is useful when you target same product from multiple campaigns. Let's say there is a product, earrings, you targeted in these two campaigns, okay? There were two campaigns, and in those two campaigns earrings were there. In that case, from which campaign do you want to show that product from? So I hope you are understanding, right? So there are two campaigns, and in those two campaigns you have the same you have the same products. So from which campaign you wanted to show? So let's say from one campaign, so one campaign you are running for sale, and this is a standard campaign. So as sale is high priority, for the sale campaign you select here high priority. That means even though the product is present in these two campaigns, your ads will be triggered from the sale campaign where you will be having high priority, right? So I hope you are understanding this priority option. Here I am going with a low priority only. And networks, obviously we have two networks, Google Search Network and Google Search Partners. It is up to you whether to include it or not. And next is the devices. Here you see by default all the devices are targeted. You don't have any option to exclude any of the devices, right? So next is the location. You select your targeting location. Here I am selecting India. And next is the start dates and end dates. Obviously creation date will be the start date, and end date you can select, and name the ad group. So in this ad group I wanted to target only earrings, okay? Let's say keep it as earrings only, and give the bid. So here I am giving bid as 10 rupees. So in the search campaigns we give bids for keywords, right? Here when you select the bid, bids were given to the products present in the product feed, right? I hope you are understanding. So let's create it. You create the campaign. So when you create the campaign, you will land at the ad group level. You see here, this is the ad group level, and in this ad group we have earrings, right? So let's start from the beginning. Go to all campaigns, and when you select this shopping campaign, I am going into the shopping campaign. You will land into the ad group earring, and when you select this ad group earring, you go to the product group. We have discussed it, right? In a campaign we will be having ad groups, and in ad group you will be having product group and ad. So that is the hierarchy for shopping campaign. So here this is the place where you need to segment your products. From here please understand very carefully, this is very important in order to create a successful shopping campaign. If you remember, in our product feed we have used custom labels, right, where we have segmented products based on the product type. Let's see it. So going into the source, data source, let's see how our product feed is optimized. Data source, this is the one, right? So here we have used custom labels to segment our products. So we are going to use this product custom labels to segment. So here we have decided to target the earrings, right? So go to this product group here and select on this plus icon. So here when you create a campaign newly, this is a group. You can call it as a group. This is a group where it has all the products. You need to separate the product that you wanted to target from them. Okay, you need to separate the products, or you need to separate the product category, or you can say you need to separate the product group that you wanted to target from this all products, right? So I hope you are understanding it. So click on this plus button. Here you have different options. You can choose or you can segment based on these different options available, based on the category, based on the brand, based on the item ID, condition, product type, channel exclusivity, or custom labels. Based on all these options available, you can select which how you want to segment, right? So if you select this condition, we have discussed at the campaign level, right? We will be having this option even at the ad group level. So here we have new, refurbished, used. The same we have seen at the campaign level. So there also we can give the filter. But so as I told you, if you have applied this filter at the campaign level, let's say at the campaign level, if you have applied new, here you will be only see products available in new. That's it. You won't see any of the products. So that is why we didn't keep any filter at the campaign level. So here we wanted to target the earrings, right? In the custom labels, where are the earrings? So let's say here, let's see here, where are the earrings? You see here in the custom label 0, we have earrings. So these are the earrings, right? These are the earrings. So this is at the custom label 0. So select this custom label 0. That's it. So in the custom label 0, you will be seeing all the labels that you have given. From here, you need to select whatever you wanted to target. Here we have decided to target the custom labels, and in custom labels, we have 4 products. So as we have given bits at the ad group level, you can continue with the save without editing bits. Okay. So click on it. Now, if you observe here, what happened is the products earlier this has all the products. What we have done, we have separated this earrings group from the all products. So here everything else in all products, in this group you don't have earrings because we have separated it from all products. After separating it from all products, there are 2 subgroups that are formed, and in these 2 subgroups, one group has earrings and one group has everything else except the earrings. Okay, so don't get confused. So there is one more task that is left over. So here what is happening is you are targeting all the products, you are not targeting earrings. How? Because here you have just subdivided them, you have divided them, that's it. You didn't excluded them. That means in this ad group you are targeting both all the ad groups, I mean all the products. You are targeting all the products, you are not targeting earrings. You have to make sure that you are targeting only earrings. How will you do it? It is simple. You need to exclude this one. Everything else in the all products you need to exclude. That means here you are targeting only the earrings, right? I hope you are understanding it. Don't get confused. Okay. So now if you want to further segment it, let's say in this earrings as well, you wanted to target only one product. Okay. I will further click on this plus button, and here I go with the item ID. Because in the custom label we have selected the custom label in the earlier section. Okay, in the earlier division, in the first division we have selected the custom label. Now you will be seeing the products present in the custom label, right? Don't get confused. So here we have 4 products. Let's say I wanted to target only one product from this ad group. So I select this product, continue without bits. Now what happens? From the earrings group that we have created, again this product is separated and the rest of the products are in one group, right? If you observe here, we will be having only 3 products, right? So you see here there is no item ID available because we have used at the earlier level. I hope you are understanding. And here you see only 3 products because earlier we have 4 products, but now we have 3 products. So as there is no any subdivision available further, we are not able to see any segmentation, right? So this is the last level. So now if you want to, or if you want to target only this product, you have to make sure that this everything else in the earrings. Okay, here we will be having 3 other products. You have to make sure that this is excluded. That means in this ad group you are targeting only one product, right? So if you wanted to target all the products present in earrings, you can include it. Okay, you can include it, or you can give bid here max CPC of 10, right? I hope you are understanding this segmentation, how to do this product segmentation. So this is very important. Okay, don't confuse how to segment, right? So I hope you are understanding this segmentation. So next is the ads. So go to ads level. As I told you here, ads are created based on the product feed. You no need to create any new ad. Even you create a new ad, you cannot edit it, because as I told you, these are created by the Google algorithms automatically, right? So you can observe there is no even edit option. Okay, there is no edit option to create any headlines or descriptions or final URLs. Everything will be fetched from the product feed. That is the reason why you need to be very cautious while optimizing your product feed. You need to give proper headlines. I mean, you need to give proper title. You need to give proper descriptions. Those will be fetched by Google algorithms to show in the search engine results page as ads. This is how you need to create the standard shopping campaign. So I hope you have understood this lesson. So few of the concepts involved in the shopping campaign and how to do the product segmentation. So product segmentation is very important, right? So we will meet in the next lesson.